Hi guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly recommended video. If you think this repair is too difficult, you can always send it in for a repair. Today I will be showing you guys how to replace the CTC cover, which is the control top cover on a Bose SoundSport wireless. Let's go ahead and begin. Start off with some heat. Go around control torque without too much of the heat. I usually go ahead and just peel this excess rubber off. It's really unnecessary if it's already damaged up. As much as you can pull off, that's as good as it's gonna get. So take the opening tool, go ahead and start at one edge. Just kind of get into there. Just kind of work your way down. One side is up. Let's go into the other side. Throw the part away. Go ahead and just clean up the excess glue with the flathead. Let's go around. Take the replacement control top cover. Go ahead and fit it on. See if it's nice and flush, which it looks good. Go ahead and take some B7000. Work your way around the unit. So it makes a nice waterproof seal. Go ahead and close it back up there. Put the cover back on. It's all right if the B7000 comes out a little bit, because at the end when it dries it's easy to wipe off clean, so don't worry about it being a little messy whenever you're done. Grab some clips, clip it on there, let it dry for about 30 minutes to an hour and you'll be good. And that is how you replace a control top cover on a SoundSport wireless. Thank you for watching.